Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arsyi I'm from Suryakancana University. Now, I would like to present my persuasive speech about the climate crisis for the coming year in Indonesia. Humans are predicted to become extinct by 2050 due to the climate crisis. Believe it or not, Indonesia is one of 8 countries in Asia that are threatened with drowning by 2050, reported by Nature Communication last year. The researchers measured the topography of coastline around the world. They discovered how the global warming can cause rapid seawater rise over the past few years. Among the countries around the world studied, Asia will be the region that feels the most impact. So why? Because the affected countries are generally the island nation, including Indonesia. We all know that the climate change has been a current issue for a long time. This is one of the problems of SDGs Target Point 13, which required action to deal with. According to Suryakancana et al. 2018, climate change refers to the changes in climatic conditions that can be identified, such as using statistical tests by changes in the mean and or variability of their properties over a long period, usually decades or even longer. The persistent climate change can lead to the high global warming. If this is not addressed immediately, then there will be a climate crisis. It is quite obvious that it will harm people and the earth. The Climate Change Adaptation Thought Leadership and Assessment, or ATLAS project, undertook an assessment of the future economic cost of climate change in Indonesia to provide USAID Indonesia, cited in HAT 2016. As humanity's greenhouse gas pollutes the atmosphere, the planet is warming up, and thus the ice sheets and glaciers melt, as well as the warm seawater grows and the world ocean increase. Furthermore, the climatic factors that become the main indicators of climate change in Indonesia are changes in pattern and intensity of rainfall, parameters, and temperature. In truth, it can cause many natural disasters, such as floods, tornadoes, and landslide. So, the Climate Center suggests reducing the threat from the global climate crisis is draining emission and building embankment while relocating the settlement to the safety place. Unconsciously, the small things that we have done, it has a serious impact on climate change. You know what? Yes, gas emission. This includes consumptive plastic packaging too much on food and drink, increased textile waste, increased air pollution by vehicles, and overuse of using paper, water, and electricity. It is very dangerous if it continuously happens, and the earth condition will improve if we realize the importance of protecting the environment. We have to start by ourselves by getting insight and solution from our bad habits, especially we as educated people who must be able to be the role model for ourselves and the society. So what can we do to save the earth? We can do saving water and electricity, utilizing natural energy wisely, using eco-friendly equipment that can be recycled. We have to do this and invite others to do the same. It is vitally important that we should do something to save us. Take care of our earth for a more beautiful future. We can enjoy the beauty of this nature, but don't forget to keep it sustainable. No matter how small an effort we make, it will have an impact on this earth. So we can still enjoy the beauty of this earth now and in the future. I am Arsyi. I'm inviting you to save the earth, save life, save us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.